Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this really cool 400 disc Sony CD player and changer to show you. It's pretty sweet. You can load up your entire collection. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that Sony and Philips both together actually worked to invent CDs? So Sony and Philips were the original creators of CDs. But let's go ahead and talk about this. The model number of it is CDP-CX450. Now I'll show you the rear panel of it. So on the back of it, you have your control input and output right here for connecting it to a system. And then you have your monitor output. You could actually connect this to your TV and look at your TV and see what tracks are playing. And then you have a CD input for connecting another CD player to it, playing through this. And then your audio output for standard audio. And then you have digital optical audio output right there. And this particular one was manufactured in April of 2000. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output on the rear panel and then connect your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and turn it on and push the eject button and load up your CDs. You want to make sure that your disc label is facing to the right. This thing's pretty ridiculous. You can load up 400 discs into it. So you don't need to worry about changing any discs or getting scratches on your discs. And then once you have it loaded, you can push the play button and it will automatically, it's got a sensor in it that tells it which slots have a disc in it and which ones don't. So it will really quickly find the discs that it can play. And this is your original remote for it. It's got a LCD on it. You can actually read that display and see what discs are playing and what discs are in there. And then right here you have all of those buttons as well. So this is what the display looks like. You can scroll through the discs. If you have them named, it'll show the name of them. And on the front panel of it, you have a continue button. You can do continuous play each track in a row, or you can do shuffle play. It will randomly pick a disc and then randomly select a track if you have it set to all discs. And then you have program play. You can queue up some songs using that, and you can save up to a couple different programs. And then you have repeat play. You can have it repeat one track, one disc, or you can have it set to off. And then you have scroll, which with the scroll button, it will make it so that the track name or disc name actually scrolls through in case if it doesn't fit all the characters on there. And then right here you have timer play. If you connect a timer to it, you can set it to play at a certain time. And then you have 8 different group files. With group play, you can save different discs into a certain group so that you can play certain discs within the carousel at certain times. You can create different genres or artists with that. Then right here you have hit list. With that, you can make a playlist of your favorite 32 tracks within the entire device. And then you have group file right here. You can push that and then select the group you want to play. And then down here you have a keyboard button. If you want to connect a keyboard to it, you can save your track names into it so that it displays them more easy for you to read. And it does have the CD text feature, so if your CDs have the names of the songs saved onto them, it will save it right here and play it and display it while the disc is playing. And then over here you have an open close button, eject button. If you push the eject button, it will actually push the disc out a little bit so that it's easier to grab. And then you have easy play. That will play disc 1 and you can use it as a single disc player basically. And then right here you have check, clear, and then name search, and then right here you have artist mode. It allows you to save artists, and you can play a certain artist at any time if you want to. And then right here you have fader. If you push it once, it will fade out, and then if you push it again, it will fade back in. And then right here you have your mega control functions. With X fade, it will set it to where it fades out over a certain amount of time and then fades back in when the next track is ready to play. And then right here you have no delay. With the no delay button, since when you have shuffle play on with 400 discs, it will take a moment to find a new disc to play. If you have the no delay function on, it will finish the track playing from this 400 disc CD player, and it will actually go to a different 400 disc CD player that's ready to play right then, so that you don't get that delay. And then you have the mega control function. You turn that on and off so that it's ready or not. And then you have your track skip button right here, and then you have your disc select knob and enter button if you push it. And then you have the menu / no button, and then +100 button. You can go forward 100 discs, and then you have yes right there. So I didn't quite get to mention every single feature of this 400 disc CD player. As you can see, it can do quite a bit, but basically it makes it super convenient for listening to your CDs. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.